Just gonna stand there and hear me cry. Oh my god. Not this cream burning me already. Like what? I don't know how this looks so. A cream up on my eye. Jesus Christ, Mr. Cooper. Good morning, farms. So I just wake up. Don't mind my ear, I know it look a mess, but that is why I'm here. So today I'll be getting my hair done. I'm doing some medium-sized knotless braids. Well, not by myself, of course. I am just supporting another female like myself. She's also young like myself. So I'm taking you guys with me on this journey to get my hair done. So if you want to see this vlog, please stay tuned. If you're new to my channel and you're liking my content so far, please hit the subscribe button, turn your post notification bell on to be notified every time I post a video. And if you're already a part of the fam club, I really love and appreciate you guys. Keep the love coming. Just gonna stand there and watch me cry. It's alright because the lights are later. Just gonna stand there and hear me cry. Oh my god. Not this cream burning me already. Like what? This is so crazy. Like how could this be burning me already? Trying to catch the back, you know. Oh no. Oh no, 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 no. Oh no. Oh no. Oh no, 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 no. Oh no. Oh no. Oh no, 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 no. Here, I get it at most of the important places down, so I'm just gonna use my hands and put it. I want them know about gunman shift. Gonna feel it from them start. Babylon, Spain, so on the front of the club. Just gonna stand there and watch me cry. And it's alright because the lights away. Just gonna stand there and hear me cry. And it's alright. So the edges is burning because like for the whole week I've been use the tail comb and make the edges dim, so you know, so it has scrape up my scalp, so it is burning me. But I'm gonna let it sit for 5 more minutes and then I rinse it out, you know. I don't know how this looks so. A cream up on my eye. Jesus Christ, Mr. Cooper. Alright, so I did have to wash it out because it did have burn my edges. And you know, I don't want the edges them to burn up because that's gonna be a mess. So I'm gonna just touch it up a little bit because I think I creamed it last week. So I'm gonna just touch it up a little bit. Separate. Alright, so the difference with me and you is that I am a natural Indian and you're not. Natural Indian without its side. How it go? No its side on the block. Alright, fam, so me this. Yeah, me this. Tell me about real Indian, you know. So what about? No, but I have no inside. This is so crazy though. No inside, guys. So I mean this. Alright, so I'm ready. I'm about to leave out. Alright fam, so I'm just leave out. I'm gonna have my tripod, I have my ring light in that bag here and braid, but I need 2 more pack of braid. So I got a shop. So the shop only have 1 pack of number 4, so I have to go find a next shop to buy the other one. Oh, stress. Can't want sun this. This is not the sun, this is almost the daughter. No? Yeah, but I want to see them dirty people here, them not have patience, you know? The boy simply asked me if I go mall and here them are going. And him even stop for 5 seconds. Jesus, how can I hurry them in? So I burn out my eye. Alright, so I reached the ear store now. I don't have time to put on a mask, so I'm going to beg somebody buy it for me. Good morning. You have expression braid? You can sell me 1 pack, please. Number 4. How much for it? Eh? Alright. So which way I leave my mom? It's so hot. You can bring me a mall if I'm all there. Go. Say hi to my vlog. How much money that now? If people don't have the money, I mean, here me I go do and it done expensive, so. How much for money that? Alright fam, so I think we reached my destination. I go call the hairdresser now until I reach so she can come out. Afraid I'm heading on the camera then my head just got hurt. But just feel the pain and come and it no start. Who get you? Who get you? Alright fams, me I beg you to take a minute and run over to Diamond Chin YouTube's channel. Subscribe to her channel, let her know that Vibe with Chelsea sent you. She do hair like myself and she also DJ, if you don't know what I mean. But please check out her YouTube channel, let her know that Vibe with Chelsea sent you. Leave a comment, check out her videos and share the love. Because we are one family, don't forget that. Sister, I hear a puppy. Yeah. Somebody have one puppy too. My mother used to say I'm a sister, you know, because they're pitney. Alright, fam, so I'm midis. Here just a film come bus stop. If you can see her. But she now walk with my come up because she now want her little bad puppy go on the main road. And him still around come. So yes, fams, I'm this. So my ear finished, just reached back on the mall at Portmore, and I'm about to grab something to eat, and I wanted KFC, so that's what I'm going for. There, man. You good? Alright. Change of plans. KFC, me nobody want a KFC, so me I head to Burger King. The lady here in front of me, she a cry. She just walk out of KFC and just a cry. Everybody a call her and she not stop. No, me don't know what's wrong with her. She did that in a KFC, then she just come out and a cry. I wonder if she lost her money or something. Or probably she get a call. I don't know what's wrong. So as I say, fams, I got Burger King whenever I want a KFC. Slackness. Me have to wait out the door. Slackness. It's a remix and I'm chilling with the bam. So found me in a Burger King line and the money short. I have to ask for somebody in front of me for $20 and we get $50. Sad. So sad. I come to buy food in a Burger King, but the money short $20, and I asked this gentleman for $20. He's such a gentleman. He gave me $50 because he didn't have any silver. Imagine me come to buy food for me and Mr. Vice over and the money short. Uh-oh. Kinda wanna leave now still. Alright fam, so I just finished my ear and I head to my client now. I'm gonna show you what I do, so just stay tuned. She's gonna do some knotless like me, but a little bit smaller than this one. So stay tuned.
Check. Yeah man, respect for sticking around to the end of the video. We hope that you have enjoyed this video, and if so, go ahead and hit the like button if you haven't done that as yet. If you haven't subscribed, it would make sense for you to subscribe if you're enjoying the content. And we hope that this vlog is something that you enjoyed. I know you're wondering why was the vlog done and you're not seeing Chelsea's hair being done. You can actually look out for the next video, which will be us highlighting Chelsea's hairstylist talent. Chelsea is a talented hairstylist, but there are also other young hairstylists out there that we'd like to highlight, and this would be the first one. If you'd like to have more videos like that, you can let us know in the comment section, where we're highlighting other hairstylists who maybe not doing YouTube. But thanks again for all the love and appreciation. We definitely love you guys.